Oh! Sorry. It's got lost. Ah, that curler. I'm stuck. Ah, that's it. Like a fucking jockey. And here comes Jockey Norcliffe at the back. What the fuck? I can't get it to stay. It said it's a big bull font. This is just making me laugh. It's not staying tight. You've got to really tight it up. Right. And then I suppose you fasten this delightful looking clip. Oh yeah, travel accessory. Can you imagine going anywhere with this? You won't be fucking seen dead in this. Come. How do I fasten this? Well, this is hardest bit. Fuck's sake. Oh no, that's too small. God. Dude. Oh, still a bit small. Oh, fuck. If I could fasten the fecker. Right. Covers up my double chin a bit if I put it there. Anywhere. I'm a bit nervous about this. Shall I just have my hairdryer on low heat, you'd think, wouldn't you? Watch it not fit my hairdryer. Oh. Oh, it's don't let Conrad get hold of that. It's a stretchy piece. So you stretch it over you. Stretch it over your member. Fucking put this on Conrad's dick. Don't know why. I don't know what it'll really do for him. Doesn't suck, does it? If it blows. I'll say, here, do you want a real blowjob? Right. So we want to keep it on cool, don't we? Getting hot. I'm getting a bit nervous. Why is it so hot? It shouldn't be hot. It's on cold setting. It's a little bit scary because you got it like on a hot setting and it's getting really hot on your head. I mean, I know it's supposed to, but surely this is a fire hazard. And it would not be a very good thing if it just exploded now. Have it on low. Oh! Please, small minds. This should make comfortable. Would it fucking blow up if I didn't fasten it down? Batten down the hatches. I'm holding up our hero. It's like Marge Simpson on another level. Fucking Marge royalty. I don't get why it's so hot. It's really hot. It's on no hot heat and it's really hot. I think it's a bit dangerous to you. I think what I'll do is just dry my hair normally